right, Umberto. So today we are right now in the Korean town, right? Or on the edge of it,
No, it is Korea.
right? And we are right in front of a, what do you call it? Uke? Ukai?
Okay.
Ukai.
It's an outlet store for clothes.
For
Shirts for
clothes.
50 pesos, 100 pesos.
Yeah, but they also sell bundles.
They sell, well, actually they get it in bundles and then they put them on the rocks for sale.
Right. But I know where there are wholesaler of these bundles, and you get them for 5 pesos, 10 pesos a t-shirt, and that kind of stuff.
Used.
Oh yeah.
No, these are brand new.
All right. And you can get it, and it's actually become popular for a lot of the girls that are selling online on Facebook.
Right.
They actually go live and dress up in dresses and clothes and shirts. Actually, Brian's girlfriend is doing that.
Yeah, they do.
And I don't know. Brian said they were doing okay there before COVID. I don't know now, because COVID fixes everything, right?
It's just like Donna, Jessica's girlfriend,
right?
does junk food online. I mean, on Facebook. They do an auction and they sell it.
Right.
You know, all sorts of things.
That guy said, "Go Trump." Some so we're gonna head up into Korean town. We were thinking today. Activities are speeding up. I like the sound of that bike.
It sounded really nice.
Yeah, they got to be a 900 or 1200.
Effortless acceleration.
Huh?
Effortless acceleration.
Yeah.
Big motor.
Yeah. That's why I would have liked to have the. I would have liked to get a Vulcan 650. Those are nice bikes. All right. The customary parking lot is on the walkway.
Yeah.
It's typical.
There's a lot more live businesses here.
Right. Yeah.
Look at all the construction going on. It's crazy.
Tables. These are homemade tables. Sometimes they're a little wiggly, but people buy them and use them. So, feels good, a beautiful day. Sun shining. Early morning, it's still cold, it's not super hot. And people have, I guess, a detail shop right here, right? Alright, so bicycle.
These guys all from Japan. Second-hand from Japan.
Second-hand bicycles?
Yes.
From Japan?
From Japan.
It's pretty cool. Alright.
They also sell vehicles. See that truck?
Yeah.
It's a second-hand truck from Japan.
Yeah, they're commonly sold here. And I guess they get them in and refurbish them, repaint them, and put them out for sale.
Some of them they don't even have to repurpose like this one because they're a few years old and they're like brand new.
Directly imported, never been used or sold in Japan.
Look at it, it's in great shape.
Yeah, looks to be in great shape. I don't have any use for it, but it looks like it's in good shape.
They just respray the areas where...
Yeah, they touched up some of the areas. All right.
That's Japan's waste.
Waste of Japan goes to get rebirth life in the Philippines, right?
Yeah. That's how Japan try to keep their economy going, their internal economy going. And they say your car reaches 40,000 kilometers, whatever, you have
Right.
to change the engine.
Right.
So
And
it keeps their economy going.
right.
Interesting place, Japan.
Yeah. It's a beautiful day though. Beautiful day, beautiful day. People standing in line to get into the bank or get to the ATM machine. Very common scene here now. They only let certain amount of people in.
Those are people for the ATM.
Yeah. And they only let 1 or 2 people in at the same time, sometimes in the bank too.
Yeah.
But this scene is pretty nice though. This camera doesn't pick it up too good, but way back there you have the mountains in the background, and it's the scenery is kind of part of what you see in a lot of photographs here for Andoer.
Beautiful areas in Clark are just absolutely gorgeous.
Right. Yeah, it reminds me. Yeah, we're gonna go one of these days. Andoer Bridge, have you heard of that? In Andoer Falls.
Yeah.
We'd made an attempt, but I had gout at the time. I couldn't walk across. But I think we're gonna.
You seem to be doing fine now.
Oh yeah, I haven't had it for a year. November of last year was the last time I. Right. Aircraft coming in to Clark.
Yes, that's a good sign.
Yeah, that was a private jet though.
Yes.
Private jet. How are you? Good, good. People are always friendly, and when you walk and you do blogging, everybody is smiling when you're
blogging. Yes.
Yeah.
Well, welcome to Koreatown.
But that's it. I didn't see any tourist police.
Any?
Huh?
I didn't hear you. I'm sorry.
All right. It's funny how they work the cars right in the street. Repairs. Sometimes hood is open.
This is a tire shop. They fix tires.
Tire shops, yeah. Massage and spa. And some are. And there over there is a Premier Pet Health veterinary clinic. And things are. There's still a lot of people around here though. It is a beautiful day.
We're going to be spending Christmas together.
I guess we're going to be spending Christmas together. Unless I get out of here before Christmas.
That would be nice for you.
Huh?
You need to.
Well, it depends on the guys down in Florida. There's, after my friend and the owner of the company we worked with passed away, has been a little upside down for a while. But now somebody with investment interest stepped up to the plate and said they're willing to take it over.
Yeah.
And do a fresh restart. We had an hour conversation this morning, so we should see. We'll see what happens.
You'll be okay.
All right. So here we are, Korean town on Friendship Highway, right?
Yeah.
No. We're exercising. Don't get much exercise in your trike, right?
Okay.
All right, so it's pretty interesting. Every time you walk here, trike, 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 trike.
Yeah.
No, 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 no. I'm walking. It's a nice day though. So they have, up here they have the red jeepneys.
Yeah, the red jeepney's parked right in front, right there. See that one?
Right?
That goes to downtown Angeles.
Okay.
You know where Apple Garden is?
Yeah.
It's about a block from there.
Okay.
So we can come up and back and then take the red jeepney and head on downtown.
Right, and head on downtown.
We can do the market. We haven't done the market in a while.
Right. Yeah, if I have battery left.
Yeah.
If I have battery left. I'm getting down to 1 or 2 bars. And I didn't bring a USB. If I had a USB, I can put it here and charge the camera. But I forgot. But I guess you can buy a USB cable cheap, huh? Then we're going to have a bottle of water, recharge the camera a little bit. But anyway.
Up ahead there's a couple of stores you can
Right. Yeah. Sorry guys, we're just talking along here about what our plans are to go to next. And sometimes when I do some of these vlogs, it's easier to work a whole day shoot and go to 3, 4, 5 different locations. And Umberto is now on, that's the 7th peso you're picking up, right?
Yep.
He keeps his eyes open. He picks up pesos.
Nice to see you. How are
Nice seeing you.
Take care.
They recognize you, or? Yeah.
Here, this is where we can
What?
go buy water.
Yeah. All right.
Market.
Okay, so let's buy some water. There was a short stop at the Robinson for a refreshment drink. And we are going to head up to, go up this way, and then we'll see if we can grab a jeepney here and head to Angeles, right? Or do you want? Or do you want?
One at the end of the road here.
Yeah, before the bridge.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool Aircon. LSM General Cooling Corporation. Korean Number Bakery, Korea Bread. Story. Air conditioner coolers. That reminds me, I need to install that air conditioner at some point.
Yeah. Put it downstairs where the girls sleep.
Yeah, but it's so tricky to get it in there. It's very tricky to get it in there. When they do that, come right in front of me. You know what I feel like doing?
Kicking them.
Take my fist and hit his punch nose. It's totally disrespectful, you know.
Yeah, I know. They don't know how to
He's
ride.
coming against you, right? I'm on the walk side of this thing. And he expect me to move out of his way. Huh?
There's no education as far as driving.
Yeah, no driving cultures at all. But anyway, I don't know. You are in Philippines and you have to accept it.
Yeah.
Because if you
I was good at dodgeball.
yeah, if you don't accept it, it's gonna kill you.
I was really good at dodgeball, so
Right.
it's like, okay.
Top wings. Somebody,
Remember the first video games?
somebody said they're really good. You see that, right?
Yeah.
Buffalo wings from Georgia.
Yeah.
I think Brian was up there, in the Philippines.
Yeah. Good.
And he said they were really, really good. So we are not going to eat. We had breakfast this morning and stopped and had some early breakfast. But as far as that, I'm done eating for
quite some time. Yeah.
Yeah.
It was a good breakfast.
I eat breakfast and then I drink water the rest of the day and then I eat some dinner. It's twice a day. When you gain 16, 20 pounds in 8 months, sitting on your rear end and doing nothing, you have to...
I tell you, we do this 3 times a week. That weight's going to come off.
Oh yeah. That's just what happens.
I find I have a lot more energy than Jessica.
Right, of course, because we'll do things, right? We don't stop. We keep moving. We keep doing a lot of different stuff, and motivation is the key.
In this life, we're going nowhere.
Right. Self-motivation. You know, if you're talking about life, I've gone through some tough times in my life and I had some good times in my life.
Yeah, of course. But you have to build those good times.
Yeah, that's when you need the stamina to get through tough times in life. That's where you really need to put that self-motivation to play, and you come back. And many times you come back even bigger than when you left. So I've done it. All right, should we head over? We can walk up this way.
We can walk for a while. Gypsy's not going to come by yet.
How often do they go? Once
every 15 minutes or so. Every time they get filled up.
Yeah, but if they're full there, are they going to stop here?
Oh, there's always room for 1 or 2 because people take a jeepney to walk. I mean, they don't walk 2 blocks. It's crazy. Sometimes it pisses me off.
All right.
Just to see these people, they could have walked for 2 blocks.
Right. Boom chicken. They actually have pretty.
Good. Oh,
they're a good
really
chicken.
Good.
Yep. I tried it. I tried one once. They're really good chicken. Oh, I got it. Oh. Over there, Youngso Seafood, Filipino Korean food. They have all you can eat stuff. And they have pretty good food. We've been coming here a few times. So this will conclude our little Korean town walk, I think. What do you think, Umberto?
Yeah, well,
we conclude.
There's a little bit of activity going on.
Yeah. It's just nice to walk, you know. You feel good. Yeah. All right, guys. That'd be it from Korean Town for today, and just don't forget our live feeds. Wednesday and Saturday night, 8:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then you have the feed on Thursday morning, 9:15 p.m. We're 13 hours ahead of United States Eastern at this point, so it's 9:15 on Thursday and Sunday a.m. Okay, thank you guys for watching. God bless. Hit that subscribe button, and we see you soon again. Bye-bye.
See ya.
Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button. And then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.